even according to me, your fellow members affect, more than friends, family are important because of whatever decisions you take in day-to-day life. So what part or how much part is played from the friends part? Like how can be your friends
Hmm?
in your life? For example, by taking the decisions this way, like, suicide hai, or going through the
How do they
depression part.
influence you? How do friends
Yes,
influence you?
yes, right.
Uh, uh, well, I don't know how much friends influence uh, in taking such a kind of a decision.
Mm,
Uh, these people then attract only such kind of people who agree to what they say कि हाँ यार तुम्हारी जिंदगी सच्ची में बहुत खराब है, तुमको
mm.
सच्ची में यार कि क्या है तुम्हारी लाइफ में, ऐसे ही लोग आप अट्रैक्ट करते हैं जो आपकी जो माइंड थिंकिंग है,
They read your mind. Mm,
या व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन इन योर माइंड, दे विल सपोर्ट यू.
mm,
So you
mm.
need to have a proper friend circle. If you are in that state of a depressed state, you have to be really very careful whom you meet, what you do. All those things have to be really really careful. And the best part of it, Pratik, people who are in depression, you can't tell them. I could be in
Yeah.
depression just now talking to you very normally, talking to you of all life and everything, but my
Right.
internal state could be of a state of depression. That is the
True.
worst part. You don't know.
Mm.
You don't know. All these people who commit suicide, then they say, अरे वो उसको लगा ही नहीं कि वो बंदा suicide करने वाला है. मतलब he's so full of life, he was so this, he was so that, ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि ये suicide करेगा बंदा.
Mm. Right. So true.
So yeah, मालूम नहीं पड़ता है suicide करेगा नहीं करेगा. That is the very very tricky part of uh,
Life.
this. Yeah, so that's why don't go into that stage only. उसके पहले ही अपने आप को सुधारो ना. Why do you want to face life or go through life to that kind of an extent and then you get frustrated? Why can't you start your inner journey now only, when you know
Mm.
you'll never
Right.
get these thoughts into your head. You'll never get these
True.
thoughts into your head. So start working on your inner. The age has no age का कोई limitation नहीं है. Lot of people think मैं 50 साल की हो जाऊंगी, 60 साल की हो जाऊंगी, तब मैं spiritual track पे चलूंगी. No. You start
Mm.
being on the spiritual track the earlier you are, the younger you are.
Mm.
For example, when Arjun went on the battlefield, he knew the धनुर्विद्या so perfect.
Mm.
But उसने इस धनुर्विद्या कब सीखी थी? जब वो छोटा सा बच्चा था.
True.
एक दिन
True.
पहले धनुर्विद्या नहीं सीखी थी उसने. That he was such a धनुर्धारी.
Right.
So that is why when he went on the battlefield, his निशाना was so perfect.
Perfect. Mm.
इसकी शुरुआत कहाँ हुई थी? जब बच्चा था तब.
Right.
So
Even the
when you have a problem, you get into spirituality, is not going to help.
true.
कबीर का दोहा है ना एक, दुख में सुमिरन सभी करे, सुख में करे ना कोई, जो सुख में सुमिरन करे उसे दुख काहे को होए.
Mm. True.
That's what it is.
Fact. And even I think, this leads to a depression part, that, people compare themselves with the, like, if I'm on the day one, people compare to the day 55, 500 day of someone else. And, they compare themselves
Correct.
that नहीं वो तो कर रहा है तो मैं तो अभी start कर रहा हूँ. ये नहीं सोचेंगे कि मैं start कर रहा हूँ, it's a day one for me.
Correct.
But they will
Exactly.
directly compare.
Exactly. Everybody wants to be Sachin Tendulkar and everybody wants to be Amitabh Bachchan. But
True.
Sachin Tendulkar, Amitabh Bachchan ने क्या बेले हैं, ये किसने देखा है?
True. That's what.
They have gone through their own struggles.
Mm.
अचानक कोई great star नहीं बन जाता. It's not possible.
True. I agree. Cool. So, last part of the podcast, I just want to ask you some rapid fire questions so you can answer in one sentence or one word. Okay.
I'll try.
Okay. So, what is your favorite book?
The books that I have written.
Okay.
Before Tomorrow and In Everest.
Right. So, what will you do if you become invisible for a day?
What will I become? What's the question?
Like, what will you do if you become invisible for a day?
Get rid of people suffering.
Okay. One thing you want to change in this world?
People's minds.
People's mind. Oh, that's deep. Okay. And your favorite dish?
There are plenty, but I love Chinese food.
Okay.
I love Chinese food.
Your favorite color?
That also lots of them, but I would say white because that includes all colors.
Okay, okay. Nickname your parents used to call you.
My parents, my name is so short, Smita. उससे short नहीं हो
Mhm.
सकता है. But I like the
Okay,
name which Dadashi ji has given me. That is Madhura. My spiritual
okay,
name is Madhura. So I like my
okay.
name
Nice,
Madhura. Hmm.
lovely, lovely. Okay. What is that one thing you still have from your childhood?
What do I have from my childhood?
Yeah, till now.
Uh, my breath.
Okay, okay. Uh, what is the one of the things that you would put in your bucket list right now?
Mm. My one thing that I would put in my bucket list is I want to reach out to humanity on a large scale.
Okay, humanity. Okay, lovely. Via social media or via what? Do you have a plan for this? No, not
I
yet.
don't have a plan for this, but of course it will be social media initially because that's the way you
Right.
can reach out to
True.
humanity on that scale.
Right. Okay. Okay. So yeah, that's it from my side, and
Thank you.
it was such a lovely interview, I can say, and a chat, more of a discussion on the major pain points of a life. You know, I truly believe that we should live our life however we are, and believe in all these things which most of the people don't believe and they don't understand. But let's see, by these platforms, YouTube and podcasting and video interviews, I guess this is only the way that we can influence, or we can take some of the efforts or minor efforts to get all the people on some track. I can't say the right
Yeah,
track,
true.
but yeah, on a
Mm,
particular track, that yeah, this is the way, and this is the way only you should go.
true.
So last one sentence that I'm going to be selfish about, that what do you think about my mission, that I'm on a mission, that to help 1 million women to achieve their business and life goals. Even you are on
I
the same, you
yeah.
can connect the same on the mission, I can. So what do you think about this?
I am very proud of you that you're doing this at the age of 27 to connect with so many women at one point on one platform.
Right.
That is
Okay.
the best thing you can ever do, and I wish you all the best and my blessings. I'm so much older than you. My blessings that
you're
you
like
go
my
ahead,
you're like my mom.
mother. Yeah, like your mother.
Yes.
Really,
Yes.
those blessings are there, and you please go ahead and change, touch every person's life, whoever
True.
comes in your life, whoever comes in your space,
True.
touch every person's life.
True. True. So
You
even I'm just, yeah, yeah, yeah. So sorry.
So you don't have to every time. It's not only money related things, when you're doing all these things. You
Hmm.
can just give a
Right.
jadoo ki jhappi.
True.
You can
Right.
just smile with somebody. You can pray for someone. There are millions of ways where you can touch people's lives. Just touch people's
True.
life. It's very important to do
Mm.
that.
Right. Right. That's
Mm.
why, recently I've come up with this initiative, and even I still guess that I have found my purpose,
Mm.
and this is my mission. I'm since right now 1 year, you can say, since 1 year,
Mm.
and my brand name is Psychochi, which is psychology plus strategy coming together. And 1 million is the mission plus, so the brand name is 1 million Woman Podcast, and
One
the
million
main,
women. My God. Wow.
yeah,
Mm.
and the main major pain point, what I think is, I want to make impact, or change in the world, is transforming their mindsets. That's the major
Please.
impact I want to do. Yeah.
Now see, Pratik, you are into marketing,
Right.
and your mission is to touch 1 million women.
Right.
Do you see how your career and your passion of your life are connecting to each other? Because you can market it, since you're in the marketing field, you can
True.
market this product very well, and at the same time you're doing your inner journey by touching 1 million women at one time. Is not a joke, and
True.
universe will help you. Universe will help you.
Yes, I hope. And even
Mm.
I expect something from life, that is that I can be somewhere at the some point, that yeah, Bratikala is the one who have touched or impacted so many lives in the world by just transforming their mindsets. You know, that's it. That's all I guess, I expect from life. I don't expect anything luxury life, blah blah blah, whatever people expect or they want from life. But yeah, that's what my mission is.
Fabulous.
Okay.
Very, very nice. Very nice. Thank you,
Yeah, and
Pratik.
I
It was
expect
really
again,
wonderful.
it was lovely talking to you, and we will be together for the future collaborations, and even I would
Sure.
love that if you do a live session in our Women India Network Facebook group.
I can do a
I
live
can.
session. I can do that.
Sure, sure.
Yeah. I will definitely do
So right, right. So a lot of again gratitude towards an Indian film industry, and you are an actress and plus a spiritual coach. That's a very amazing. I really, really, when I take your name and I'm with you, I get goosebumps, And seriously, I have total an immense respect and a total of gratitude towards you. Thank you
Thank you
so much.
so much. Thank you. Thank you. Really. Thank
Right.
you so much. Okay.